So today I will show you what's inside Lego Mindstorms EV3 kit. Let us take a look on the hardware part. So these sections are the offset sections. These are the offsets. These are the shaft sections which consist of mini shafts and shafts. These are the shafts plus connector section. These are the connectors. And these are the bushes section. These are the bushes like these. These are the beams. These are the mini beams. These are the angled beams. And these are the square beams. And these are gears and pulleys. So that's what hardware consists of in EV3 Mindstorms Lego. So let's move on to the other hardware parts in this kit. So this is the manual book. You can refer to this for making a EV3 Mindstorm rover, the basic rover. Okay. So this is the main part of the EV3 Mindstorm. This is the brick. This is known as the brick. It consists of a microcontroller inside it. So there are some ports, USB and SD card. So you can put the data inside this and program it through a PC using the USB port or using a micro memory card. So these are the output ports named as ABCD on the upper part. So and these are the input ports which are at the bottom named as 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the input and output ports which are used to connect sensors and motors. So this is the display here. All the programs that you will save or make will come here on the display screen. This is the back button, this is the OK button, and these are the navigational keys. This is the charger which comes with it to charge the brick. So the brick consists of a battery, as you can see here. Let's open this. So this is the chargeable battery. So when you put this chargeable battery here, then you can put the charger's port in this charging port. These are the connecting wires connected to the brick for sensors and motors. These are the other extra parts of the robot. Finally, these are the sensors and these are the motors. I will explain you this now. These are the wheels, these are the motors, and these are the sensors. Now let me explain you about the motors and sensors. This is the large motor. These two are the large motor. This one is a medium motor. This is the gyro sensor for balancing, used to balancing motors. This is the color sensor which can sense colors. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It requires one transmitter and one receiver. This is the touch sensor. This was all about Lego Mindstorms EV3 kit, which contains 541 pieces.